Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. So if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button as I have a lot of informational videos for you. Today's video is going to be about Facebook verification. A lot of people were asking me about how to get their Facebook profile or page verified. So here I will be talking about the actual criteria to get verified on Facebook and what are the things to keep in mind. By the end of the video, you will get a complete idea of how it works and you will be able to work towards getting verified on Facebook. First of all, we will talk about how this verification process works and what are the actual criteria that Facebook considers. But before that, I will show you what is verification. Well, you must have noticed that blue verified badge next to the name of Facebook profiles or pages. Those accounts are verified and Facebook has confirmed that the accounts that have that verified badge are the genuine accounts of public figures, celebrity or the global brand that the page or profile represents. As you can see, when a page is verified, you will see a blue checkbox over here and it says that a verified badge confirms that this is an authentic page for this public figure, media company or brand. Now, if you are thinking why is this so powerful, it is all about getting credibility, goodwill, positioning and reputation that you are going to get by just having a verified badge on Facebook. Now let's discuss how to get verified on Facebook. About verification, Facebook has a lot to say about how to get verified on Facebook. So let's move on to their help page and see what information we can get from there. Alright, so if you go to the Facebook help page, Facebook has a lot of information about getting verified on their platform. Firstly, they have explained what is a verified badge, and then here are the requirements to apply for it, such as Facebook wants you to be authentic. So you need to be a real person, real entity or real business. The next thing it needs is to be unique. There can be only one account per person or business. Also, if you run a generic page, then you can't get verified. Third thing is it needs to be complete, so make sure you are active on Facebook and your about section is complete. You must have a profile photo and at least one post should be there. But having only one post will not get you what you aim for, as the next point says you need to be notable, someone who is well known and is often searched by people. So if you are featured in news sources, this can get you closer to verification. But the important point that you need to take care of is that paid or promotional content will not be considered for review. This can be tricky for some, that how to create a page that is notable for Facebook. Well, the process to apply for a verification badge is quite simple. You have to go to this contact form. Here is the link for this form and I will also put it in the description box. And the steps to getting verified are really easy. First of all, you have to mention if it is a page or profile. Then you have to select a category for your page or profile. You can choose from the listed options or choose other. Following that, you have to enter your country name and then you have to attach a photo of your ID. Here it is mentioned that we require at least one of the following official documents in order to review your request. Alright, so if your account represents a person, you need to upload a valid photo ID that shows your name and date of birth. It can be your driving license or passport. And if your account represents something that other than a person, provide a document with an official seal or watermark of your organization. It can be anything like your organization's phone or utility bill, a certificate of formation, articles of incorporation, and tax or tax exemption documents belonging to your organization. So that was about how to fill up the Facebook verification form and get the verified badge for yourself. Now let's talk about the criteria that can get you verified. The first important and main thing is that you need to be notable. For Facebook, someone who is a celebrity like a musician, an athlete, sportsman, or a singer is notable. So what you need to do is to build yourself as a celebrity in the eyes of Facebook. This also includes media, sports companies, government officials, entertainment portals, and so on. So how Facebook decides if someone is a celebrity? First one is press, where we also look up for other celebrities. So what you need to do is you need to have articles published in your name so that people can look up for you. There are several press release companies that are ready to accept your good quality articles. You can submit them to news sites and get them distributed. The first thing Facebook is going to check to know if you are notable is, can you be found on the press, and if you can, your chances of getting approved increase. The next main concern is, do you have good number of followers? And I'm not talking about that fake followers that you can easily buy. So how are you going to get real organic followers for your Facebook profile or page? You can run a like campaign to get more following, and you must have at least 10k followers to be considered notable on Facebook. Next important criteria is ads, and if you are running ads on your Facebook page, it means you are helping Facebook to earn money, and this can also help you or increase your chances of getting verified. Next thing that is going to help you out in getting verified on Facebook is the number of fake accounts. Facebook is going to look at how many fake accounts are there that have been named after your name or your company or business name. This doesn't mean that you have to create a lot of fake accounts just to get verified, alright? But this is the real meaning of getting verified on Facebook, that you are the real owner of this business or company, or you are the real celebrity that people are looking for. So these were all the things that you need to constantly work on to increase your chances of getting verified on Facebook. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I gave you enough information about how to get verified on Facebook, what are the things that you have to do, and what are the things that you have to avoid, alright? So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up to this video. And if you have any feedback or any queries, you can mention them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.